hope you got enough background information about this series videos about ArchiMate modeling based on Spark EA's tutorial introduction. So from this video we move to those detailed modeling the demos. So starting from this basic Viewpoint, there's 12 different views, and this is coming from the Spark's shared tutorial, and we will use Archi2 to do this. So this video we focus on how to present and model the organization. So let's go to the content directly. So if you come to this tutorial, here is the Spark's systems they show you is what is basic horizontal and vertical layers about ArchiMate. So structure is originally is just a business layer, application layer, technology layer, and they have these three types of the element: passive, active structure, and in the middle is a behavior. This like that the triples, three-step triple as well. And then the full ArchiMate framework is above business. There's adding the strategy like capability, value stream, resource, course of actions. And both below the technology also add physical and implementation migration. These three verticals are still keep, and also additionally adding the motivation layer. So if you come to the Archi2, you may see all these layers. Spark EAs also have those, and you can read these a description for each layer. The additional layer and the basic layer is here. And then the use of colors layer is the use color blue, green. So like these different colors aspect is white, light gray, medium gray, dark gray. So those are the these metrics, horizontal and vertical, and the motivation is just white. And within the open group and TOGAF, when they develop ArchiMate, they also develop the relationship. We will mention that during our modeling, and those Viewpoint is one by one is we are starting to define that in Archi2. So first is this organization viewpoint. These kind of pattern create elements and a diagram that describe the role and actors of an organization or entity or part of an organization such as a department or section. So you can use this to model the whole this enterprise organization, or you can come to a business unit, or even like is when it's come to a department, you can even model the team, a sub-team, and then this you can also use the same actor to model the individual. So it's not have any limitation is on which layer you will have those these notations used, so you can use that on the many different levels. And we first is let's draw this one. So as I mentioned, is this is the Archi2. My current version is the recently released 5.4.0. So if you go to the Archi, the site is you will get this tool. I hope is you already install that, and you don't need any additional these plugins. So you just have for only Archi is fine. So you can use the new empty model, or you can click this one, empty model. So this icon. Then we will see here is let me put that is 01 organization. And let's see, that is the pattern. So we build this as a pattern, and we also put this, let's use the same name as our view. When you click this empty one, you can see these icons are coming. So let's familiar with those is these are the strategy layer. For this folder, these are the business layer. These are application technology, physical, implementation, and migration. The bottom one is the migration. And this one, sorry, this one is the motivation. This is the implementation and the migration. So all these are the comply with this color scheme or the color coding published by this ArchiMate 3.1. There's also another the color plate is published by this ArchiMate. So let me show you that. If you search is my other series, the book course or the videos you can find is a cookbook. I put a reference here. So here is the ArchiMate classic color. So I will put these two files also in this new repository so that you can find that as well. So this is the, you can say classic, the color scheme, and ArchiMate is also give you our alternative color set. If you want to have a different color coding, the most useful here is this color, the numbers. So use these the different color code. You can exactly get this color that 100% the same as the ArchiMate needed. So I think it's here. I think unfortunately this classic doesn't have this color coding, but I believe you can extract those colors directly, or is the current the ArchiMate 2 is already used good enough this color coding. Some color may slightly difference on this tutorial from this EA the Sparks 2, but I believe you can recognize that they are not too big difference. So first of all is we have 3 levels on this pattern. So all of them are used business actor. So you drag this one. So we call that is business actor 1. That is our highest level. And we have our 3 business actors. So one is this A.1. We treat this A as the company name. So now you have our A.2, A.3. So let me see. So A.3, A.2. And on every this you can treat that as the department. You have another one. So I don't need this. I think it's I have three side of this enough. So this one. Okay, you can see here now is we can change the name. Is this is the A11, A12, 13, 4, 2.2. This is 8.2. So you may see here is I happened to see these are the exact same name. That is allowed in Archi 2 because these are only on this label. All you can see is on this displayed name. They are duplicate, but actually they have the totally different unique ID in the model. So I also have some practical demos to show you is what behind on this Archi modeling tool. So you can see the this source code, and you can also manage this source code through this changing on certain line of code. Is you can make this the front end change in the model. So as long as you are familiar with those XML based source code, you can play around on that background. Then you can see here, we have these 4 departments or sub-department. So you can make them drag like this way. So here I put that not too much care about their alignment. So as long as you can put that roughly okay, then that's is fine. That is again is one philosophy is for modeling in Arch is the actual position. All this position in one of view is not too much the important. If you put that a little right or a little closer, that is fine. The more important is when you build up your this model is the 2 parts. One is the meaning of your source or destination elements. What's that representing? The second is the relationship. Relationship means is what's the connections meaning. Those are all these important meaning that we need to consider more than just care about the position of one element in one view. That is totally less important. And I can build this, drag this as a bigger, and you can select this the number 3s and putting them inside. When you put them inside, you will be asked is what kind of the relations you will build between those lower level business actor to higher level business actor. You can click here to see is there's some allowed or valid relationship. The top recommended is the composition, and the second is aggregation and the specialization. So you can choose either of them, or you can just accept this. Composition and aggregation, they have a different meaning. Composition is more stronger than the aggregation, and they are represented like this number 2. So this solid diamond with our solid link. But if you make them nested, those link is not shown. So that is the make sense. And you can read from the ArchiMate language specification to understand this. What are these the meanings and the difference between those this aggregation compared to the composition. And another part is I think is we have our the from this edit in the Archi2, you can go to the preference, and here I think is we have our here. So the ARM, which is the automatic relationship management, this is our very useful things, but I tend to keep that as our default. So they have 3 parts: is relation type offered when creating new relation. So that is the Y is the composition is above aggregation and also above specialization. So within this default setting is not say show serving, not show influence, it's just those highlight things. And why when we come to the business actor, putting the another business actor, you only see that 3. So that is based on actually is this part. So it's all the possible relation are showing here when we want to do the nest, but these are only the allowed things. So if I just let's show you using this magic, drag that, you can see those are showing more because all those are allowed, but not all of them are allowed as the nested relationship. So you see that 3. So that is the thing is that you can change that if you don't want to use the default. So for example, you can see I want to see only aggregation. So I don't want to see the composition. Then you can uncheck the composition. Then that will not show. And then this, if I move to this department 2 or the business actor 2, I don't want to use. You can use this way to drag that and find this, but you cannot do this at the same time on both the horizontal and the vertical. So you can use one. The tip is choose this one. Use the Shift or Control. Click the target one. You found this icon. This icon means match size. So when you click that, is your first element will match the size to your second element. So that will give you a convenience. Then you are okay to drag this for the level 3 into this. And then choose this, click either one. So click this, then you have this department 1. Then you can put this here. And actually, that will is finishing your 3 departments. And then we have putting them closer. And you don't need to expand this big enough first. So you can just select all as long as your cursor can come inside. So that means is you are going to put all of the selected element as a nested position into this highlight one. So when you click, all of this will be asked is A1, A2, A3 to be composed. So just click that and you can see their boundary. So now it's easier for you to drag your bigger one to enough size to handle your the inside ones. With this is we have provide the equivalent modeling for what this Spark the tutorial provide to you. One another thing is how about the title? So I may use our label to make the title, but I don't want to make our typing. You can use here if you want to see this one. I want to see the test. Then you can show that here. But that is not the actual title. To maintain this, I want this show just this view's name. Then you can use our label expression. I demo this in my other courses in quite detailed way. So just to show you if you don't know this yet. So use a dollar, like the JavaScript is to point to certain variable. So and add a view. View means is your variable is related to the views, the object. So that will come to the view level. Then use these curly braces and wrap this name. With that is your view name will be captured into this label. So definitely is if you keep fine tune, so you can go to the appearance and give some the nice view like is I don't want dog ear. I just wanted to see a none, so there's no dog ear anymore. All you want to see is I want to see our rectangle, so they have this edge. So normally, so for our title, we don't care about the edge. And here is you can have a text position. So by default, is left and top. So I put that both on the middle. And I click this font, make that in bold, and also a little bigger. So 10 bold. Then that is becoming a little nice, the text here. So this is our way is you can put together of your diagram here, and then we already duplicate that is you can read about those discussions to see some use cases for this organization pattern. Then is we finish this video, and next video we will go to create our equivalent examples under the organization through some open samples. So see you in the sample video. Bye for now.